ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सिद्धि शब्द was explained as ज्ञातता. Bhattamatam said that siddhi can have spashtata meaning also spashtata. So spashtata means prakatyam. So Siddhanti said spashtata is only possible for anartha. So in the Tika it was given spashtata aspashtate api anyasyaiva. Anya means anatma. Spashtata aspashtata is possible only for anatma. Anyasya eva. Kartradi vilakshणस्य साक्षिणः चिदाभास जननेन स्याताम् न तु आत्मनः. So it will not be of the atma, it will be of the sakshi here means drashta. So kartradi vilakshणस्य साक्षिणः चिदाभास जननेन स्याताम्. Not of atma. Atma will always have jnatata. एतदेव व्यतिरेक प्रदर्शनेन स्पष्टयति. Now through vyatireka he explains the same thing. अद्रष्टुर्नैव चान्धस्य स्पष्टी भावो घटस्य तु कर्त्रादेः स्पष्टतेष्टा चेत् द्रष्टृताध्यक्षकर्तृका. अद्रष्टुर्नैव चान्धस्य स्पष्टी भावो घटस्य तु कर्त्रादेः स्पष्टतेष्टा चेत् द्रष्टृताध्यक्षकर्तृका. Siddhanti says, if there is a andha purusha, andhasya adrashtuhu ghatasya spashti bhavo naivatu. One vakyam. Second, kartradehe spashtata ishta chet adhyaksha kartraka drashtrata. if there is a blind person who cannot have darshan through chakshu indriya, so andhasya adrashtuhu, he will never have ghatasya spashti bhavaha, because he said spashtata, 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 spashtata is possible for anatma. But for a blind person, spashtata will not be there. Naiva. In other words, if you say Ghata Siddhi is only through Spashtata, and Spashtata means having a clear knowledge of the object, not Aspashta Jnanam, but Spashta Jnanam, Prakatyam. So then, for Andha Vyakti, it is not possible. And Kartra Dehe Spashtata Ishtachet, Karta, Karta Karma, Karana. Then it is Adhyaksha Kartrika Drashtrita. Adhyaksha means Atma. Atma Kartrika Drashtrita is there, which is making Karta, Karma, Karana Spashta. Means Atma, the Sakshi, will illumine these as Sakshya. And that making them available, making them known is their Spashtata. सीटीका अंधस्य दर्शन वृत्ति रहितस्य ज्ञातुर विषयीभूतस्य घटस्य यह स्पष्टि भावः स नैव ज्ञान विषयतातिरिक्तो भट्टमते संभवति इत्यर्थः. और अंध पुरुष हु इज दर्शन वृत्ति रहित, रिमेंबर द मेन टॉपिक हियर इज विधि मुखेन आत्मज्ञानम. अंधस्य दर्शन वृत्ति रहितस्य ज्ञातुः विषयीभूतस्य घटस्य यह स्पष्टि भावः. घट which becomes the vishaya, its spashti bhavaha, it will not happen. Sanaiva syat. Jnana vishayatatirikto bhattamate naiva sambhavati. Jnana vishayata, it becoming jnanasya vishaya, without that spashti bhava will not be possible for a blind person. So what is said is, a blind person he will not be able to know this spashtata as any different from jnana vishayata. With his hand he will feel it, maybe he can smell that it is a pot, it means it is a clay pot, like that. There is no other spashtata. So whole topic of discussion started with the vikalpa. What is siddhi? Is it jnana vishayata, jnatata, or atmalabha? And then now this spashtata. So spashtata is same. It is only jnana vishayata. एवं सति भट्ट मतानुसारिणा कर्त्रादेहे स्पष्टता प्राकट्य रूपा इष्टा चेत तदा द्रष्टृता तद विलक्षण अध्यक्ष कर्तृक अवश्यम एष्टव्या. एवं सति, that being the case, भट्ट मत अनुसारिणा कर्त्रादेहे, भट्ट मत followers, कर्त्रादेहे स्पष्टता prakatya rupa spashtata, that prakatya rupa ishta chet, if that is ishta, तदा द्रष्टृता तद विलक्षण अध्यक्ष कर्तृक अवश्यम एष्टव्य. तद विलक्षण अध्यक्ष आत्मा which is different from karta karma kriya etc karana etc, that will be the one who will have drashtruta, means he will become the drashta of all these. Tasmat, that you have to accept. Tasmat karmadehe जड़स्य स्पष्टतायाः प्रकाश अपर पर्यायाः असंभवात्. Purva Pakshi was saying that karta, karma, karana, all of them are there, and they themselves are sufficient to know each other. So Siddhanti said there has to be something else, and that something else will have to know this, not Yugapat, but it is Yugapat actually. But here how it was explained in Shloka. It was said that in 131, that Kartradinam Siddhi, is it Yugapad or not? So, this Karta, Karma, Karana, they cannot know each other. In 131 it was said. They cannot know each other, and they cannot know each other simultaneously also. But if there is a Siddhi of Sakshi Chaitanya different from all this, then it can know everything simultaneously, and that is the drashta. So karmadi are jada, tasmat karmadehe jadasya spashtatayaha prakasha apara paryayaha asambhavat. Prakasha apara paryaya of the jada vastu, that they are the prakasha apara paryaya, other alternative for illuminator atma, that they also can do this. It is asambhavat because they are jada. न स्पष्टता सिद्धि शब्दार्था. So spashtata as the meaning in the form of siddhi is not possible. Kintu jnana vishayata eva iti. So we conclude now that there is no separate thing called spashtata. Anything becoming jnana vishaya means that thing is now prakat. It is manifest for us. What was not becoming jnana vishaya, it was aspashtata, means aprakata. Like if a pot is there somewhere in the room, but you are not able to locate because it did not become jnana vishaya for you. And therefore it is aspashta. When it becomes jnana vishaya, it is spashta. So jnana vishayata is spashtata. इति कर्त्रादि गत चिदाभासन द्वारा तद अधिष्ठान भूतश्चिदात्मा विधिमुखेन एव प्रदीपादि दृष्टांत अनुमानादिना प्रमाणेन अवगंतव्य इति भावः. So then kartradigata chidabhasa, in karta chidabhasa will take place. How Chidabhas Karta here means Pramata. Chidabhasan will happen because of the Adhisthana Atma. Adhisthana Bhutas Chidatma. Chidatma will illumine Pramata. Pramata will have Chidabhasa. That Chidatma should be known through Vidimukha Pramana. Vidimukhena eva Pradipadi Drashtanta Anumanadina Pramanena Avagantavya. Iti bhava. So he concludes this topic by saying that through Pramana alone, means Vidimukha Pramana, Sakshi has to be known. Once it is known through Vidimukha Pramana, then Nishedmukha Pramana can also be used. When it is known means it is known as Asti. Astityevopalabdhavya Tattvabhavena Chobhayoho. Astityevopalabdhasya Tattvabhava Prasidati. So when Atma is known as Asti, then you can use Nishedmukha Pramana also. Atra now Bauddha, Kshanik Vijnanavadi, or Kartru Karma Vihina Eva Pratyaya Swamahimna Bhasate iti Vadan Vijnanavadi Bauddha Pratyavatishthate. Kartru Karma Vihina Eva Pratyaya. They say Atma doesn't have karta or karma. It is only jnana. That jnanam is kshanikam. It is a pratyaya. And swamahimna means it is swayam prakash. Swayam prakasha kshanika jnanam devoid of jnata and jnaya. Kartru karma vihina. Means there is no external jnata and external jnaya. Jnata, jnana, jnaya all are one. Iti vadan Vijnanavadi Bauddha Pratyavatishthate. What is the meaning of Pratyavatishthate?
Viruddha.
In the morning today in Brahma Sutra, I explained this word.
प्रतिकूलेन अवतिष्ठति.
Avatisthante. Pratikulena avatisthante. In avatisthante, pratikulena means virodhi rupena. Avatisthante, what is the dhatu?
Tha.
Stha dhatu. Stha dhatu is parasmay pada. And how did it get Atmanepada pratyaya?
Samava pravibhyastha.
Samava pavidyastha. So it came in the morning. But here it is both there. Anubhute kimanyasmin syattavapeksaya vada anubhavitarishta syat sopyanubhutirevanaha. Anubhute kimanyasmin syattavapeksaya vada anubhavitarishta syat sopyanubhutirevanaha. This Kshanik Vijnanavadi says, Anubhutehe kim anyasmin syat tava apekshaya. Tava अनुभूतेः अन्यस्मिन् तव किं स्यात्? अन्यस्मिन् मीन्स कर्तृ अपेक्षया अन्यस्मिन् किं स्यात्? वद। अनुभवितरी अनुभूति इष्टा स्यात् सोऽपि सो अनुभविता अपि अनुभूति ही एव। सो इन क्षणिक विज्ञान अनुभविता मीन्स ज्ञाता, अनुभूति मीन्स ज्ञानम. He says other than अनुभूति, why do you need a कर्ता और एक कर्म, ज्ञाता और ज्ञेय? अनुभूतेः अन्यस्मिन् तव किं स्यात्? So why do you have any अपेक्षा? तव अपेक्षया किं स्यात्? किं स्यात् मीन्स किं किं फलं स्यात्? सी टीका अनुभूतेः संवेदनस्य. And they use such words in Bauddha Darshana. Samvedana. संवेदनस्य अन्यस्मिन् कर्तृ अपेक्षया तव किं फलं स्यात्? What phalam you will have? तद्वद, tell us. न किंचित फलं तस्याः स्वप्रकाशत्वात् इत्यर्थः. There is no phalam in accepting a jnata different from jnana, because jnanam is swaprakasha. When jnanam is not swaprakasha, you need jnata to make that thing known. The jnanam is swaprakasha, it will illumine itself. You don't need jnata for jnana. This is kshanik vijnana darshan. अनुभवितरी आश्रय भूते सा एष्टव्या स्यात्. सा अनुभूति, that अनुभूति, if you would like in anubhavita, in the jnata, means if someone says jnanam has to be in jnata only, how can jnanam be outside of jnata? You have to accept jnata. So अनुभवितरी आश्रय भूते सा एष्टव्या स्यात् तस्याः तदधीनत्व दर्शनात् इति चेत् तस्याः अनुभूतेः तत् अनुभवितरी अधीनत्व दर्शनात्. तो ज्ञानम is always under ज्ञाता. There only it will take place. If you say like that, त्वं ब्रूयाः तर्हि सो अपि अनुभविता नो अस्माकं मते अनुभूतिरेव. Then according to us, that anubhavita is also anubhuti swarupa only. He is no different. Bruyaha, what is the rupam?
विधिलिंग मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन.
ब्रूयाः त्वं ब्रूयाः विधिलिंग मध्यम पुरुष। तर्हि सोऽपि अनुभविता नः अस्माकं मते अनुभूतिरेव। That anubhavita pramata is anubhuti only, is jnanam only, because in their matam there is nothing other than jnanam. Na tataha pruthak tat satve pramana bhava. Pramata is not different from jnanam in that there is no pramanam. कथं तर्हि अनुभूति ही अनुभविता अनुभाव्य इति भेद दर्शनम इति अतः. Then someone says, asking Vijnanavadi, then how there is anubhuti anubhavita anubhavya iti bheda darshanam? How is this bheda possible? Everything should be one only. Tiyataha. So answer is given. Abhinnopi hi buddhyatma viparyasita darshanaihi grahya grahaka samvitti भेदवानिव लक्ष्यते. अभिन्नोपि हि बुद्ध्यात्मा विपर्यासित दर्शनैः ग्राह्य ग्राहक संवित्ति भेदवानिव लक्ष्यते. बुद्ध्यात्मा बुद्धिश्च असौ आत्मा च इति बुद्ध्यात्मा. अभिन्न अपि, इन दैट बुद्धि स्वरूप आत्मा, ज्ञान स्वरूप आत्मा विच इज अभिन्न मीन्स स्वगत भेद रहित. विपर्यासित दर्शनैः ग्राह्य ग्राहक संवित्ति भेदवान इव लक्ष्यते. By the viparyasita darshan. What is viparyasita darshan? See in tika. Buddhyatma buddhi swabhavo abhinno api. Abhinno means eko api. By viparyasita darshana bhranti buddhi vihi purushaihi grahya grahaka samvitti bhedavan iva lakshyate pratiyate. It is only one Vijnanam, but people think there is Pramata, there is Prameya, there is Pramana. Bhed Buddhis are created by Bhranta Purusha, Viparyasita Darshan. Bhedavan iva lakshyate pratiyate. Samvitti shabd is there, grahya, grahaka, samvitti in shloka. टीकाकार से संवित्ति मीन ग्रहण. सो ग्राह्य ग्राहक ग्रहण. ग्राह्य मीन्स प्रमेय, ग्राहक मीन्स प्रमाता, एंड संवित्ति ग्रहण ज्ञान. So there is no bheda, but bheda is superimposed. Now on this viparyasita darshanaihi, on that shabda, viparyasita, how that shabda will be formed? नपुंसके भावेक्तः. This is निष्ठा प्रत्यय in नपुंसक भाव. Like viparyasitam, that shabda will be formed separately. Here it is in samasa. So there is Bauddha Vartika. In that there was one Acharya called Dharma Kirti. This is his Vartika. And it is discussed in Shloka Vartika also, in Bhagavan Bhashyakar Sarva Darshana Sangraha. there is a work in that also. And of course, in Brahadaranyaka Vartika, there is a discussion on this. There is. So, this Purva Paksha is saying, Bhranta people get this idea of Veda. Vedanti will accept this, that in Kutastha Jnanam, which is one, we create the Veda of Pramata, Pramana, Prameya, Triputi. Idea is very similar. Only thing is their Jnanam is Kshanikam. And who is responsible for Veda, that they don't have any. Like Vedanti will say there is Maya. Maya creates Veda. That they don't have some such Mithya Maya. And they might have something which they will call it as some ability because of which one appears as many. बुद्धेः कारकत्व अनंगीकाराच्च न कर्त्रादि अपेक्षता इत्याह. If buddhi is not accepted as karaka, then you don't need that karaka. So in case of Kshanik Vijnanam, there is only one karaka, Dhyanam. It is there for everything. Bhutir yeshang kriya saiva karakam saiva chochyate sattvam nashitvam asyachchet sakartritvam tatheshyatam. Bhutir yeshang kriya saiva कारकं सैव चोच्यते सत्वं नाशित्वम् अस्याश्चेत् सकर्तृत्वं तथेष्यताम्. येषां मते भूतिः सैव क्रिया सैव कारकं च उच्यते. भूतिः means ज्ञानम, अनुभूति. In those matam where jnanam itself is kriya, itself is karakam. Sattvam nashitam asyaha chet tatha sakartrutvam ishyatam. Sattvam nashitam. Even if the of this jnanam, which is called bhuti, anubhuti, sattva means it comes into being. Vinasha, nashitva means it gets eliminated. Every kshana it happens, sattvam nasha. Then tatha sakartrutvam ishyatam. You will have to find out what causes the utpatti of kshanik vijnana. What causes the dissolution of kshanik vijnana. If you say it is kshanik vijnanam and it comes and goes, what is the nimitta? So Siddhanti is asking this question now. This is Siddhanta Shloka 143. So Siddhanti says, येषां मते या भूतिः अनुभूतिः सैव क्रिया सैव कारकम उच्यते. That itself is kriya, that itself is karakam. Kshanabhangurattvena viramya. This viramya vyapara we will have to see slightly in detail in the following session. So viramya vyapara yogat तेषां मते कः तस्याः स्वव्यतिरिक्तो अपेक्षणीयः स्यात् इत्यर्थः। तस्याः स्वव्यतिरिक्तो अपेक्षणीयः। कः अपेक्षणीयः? What will be the expectation? We will see this in the next session. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।